Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by building exactly the skills buyers pay for, clean and label data, engineer prompts, and run models. Focus on one framework so you can deliver quickly. Once done, you'll avoid floundering between tools. Start small. Acquire 1 to 3 niche datasets and validate them to at least 90% quality. This gives immediate deliverables. You should also assemble sample pipelines and a pricing sheet. Doing those first turns skills into sellable services right away. Once you have core skills, package them into clear services and a productized offering. You'll create separate lanes: labeling, fine-tuning, and evaluation with fixed deliverables and timelines. Then automate the pipeline, ETL training jobs, SI, and a model registry, so you scale without linear hours. Make sure to publish pricing: hourly, per label, and subscription tiers for inference or updates. You should show case studies and ROI calculations so prospects see value. This is how you launch with a pilot, track latency, accuracy, and cost, and iterate quickly. Once stable, scale through referrals, marketplaces, and integrator partnerships. Offer an SLA and version models to reduce buyer friction and automate onboarding to lower churn. If things go wrong, check reproducibility first. Rerun with the same seed and data snapshot, then inspect for data drift or underfitting. Make sure to have rollback and monitoring in place so you can fix issues without losing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.